A very good morning from Leh. It's not too high, it's not too low. It's around 11,050 meters. Great place, man. Great place. And I'm glad we made the whole trip to Sarchu because उसकी वजह से पता है this looks like a piece of cake. There is plenty of oxygen. कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. और एक और चीज़, pretty decent room. Found a decent room with a really nice view. Pretty decent, right? बस एक चीज़ मुझे लग रही है यहाँ पे different in contrast to other hill stations, which is it's kind of super commercialized because you have flight access. And I did have a word with the guy at reception, and apparently the majority of crowd that comes here takes a flight, और काफ़ी कम लोग होते हैं जो all the way आते हैं. So looking forward to it. But yeah, I'm not a big fan of such commercial places. Sarchu में मुझे बहुत बढ़िया लगा था. Place good, but again, the benefit of commercialization is you get good food, like really good food. वहाँ tent में we just got basic stuff, दाल रोटी राजमा वगैरह. यहाँ पे we have plenty of options. Found this really good cafe which serves proper authentic Tibetan stuff. और एक और चीज़, it's not really that cold over here. It's probably around 18 degrees and hence I'm wearing the shorts. कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो रही. ये भी मैंने ऐसे पहन ली ताकि ठंड वंड ना लगे. और soon you'll see me taking shirtless pics because भाई मिनी कट किस लिए क्या है? मिनी कट करने का कुछ तो फ़ायदा होना चाहिए, है ना? Meanwhile, what I'm going to do is get myself a black coffee, build more appetite, walk around, look for places, do some shopping, and which is not really the interesting bit, but we'll do it. ऐसे ही थोड़ा दूर दूर से देखेंगे what the city has to offer, and then we go get some good food. Alright, the plan for the day is to explore some good Tibetan food. I did my research and I found this restaurant which serves yak cheese pizza, and I like, boom, stop. I'm stopping my research there because I need to try this. I've tried this earlier and it was great. It has a very different texture. थोड़ा खिंचता है और कुछ लोगों को पेट में दिक्कत भी होती है, but again you gotta try, man. When in Leh, don't get late, but try Leh. I just made that up and it's lame as fuck. इधर डिस्प्यूट का ऑप्शन आ रहा है, कर दूँ क्या 300 रुपये वाला? ब्रेकफास्ट था वो स्किप हो गया हमारा बिकॉज लेट उठे, बट अगेन वी आर इंटरमिटेंट फास्टर्स, हमें दिक्कत नहीं होती. फक इट. थैंक यू भाई जी. एक और लेकर आ जाइए. अरे ये अभी आए हैं. लॉल, उसी समय बोलना चाहिए था ना. हाउ इज द सर्विस ओवर हियर? Hotel is really nice, serene place located right in the center of the city. Service is okay. However, the owner very chill guy, very warm, and बहुत बढ़िया लगा उससे बात करके. However, not every staff is going to be great. अगर मैं गूगल सर्च करूँ याक चीज़ पिज़्ज़ा, दिस इज द वेरी फर्स्ट प्लेस which pops up. Actually, this is the only place which pops up. Plan was to actually come here around 3 in the afternoon, but I don't know, we kind of went off track. दारू लेने चले गए, फिर पता चला कि here we only have 4 brands of alcohol which I'm going to put over here. Anyways, getting back to being a sasta wannabe food blogger. What's the plan for today? We're going to have yak pizza. One of my friends suggested Lafa is good over here. उसके अलावा what else? Burger. Burger is good. And we are starting off with this. This is amazing. And there's so much variance here. Let's see, but let's not judge the book by its cover. पहले खा के देखते हैं कैसा है. So far this is good. Little salty chocolate cookie. And let's see what's in store. Look at how this thing is stretching, fucking like that elastic girl from Fantastic Four. Let's give it a try. Smells really different. I'll have a few more bites and then let these guys have a piece of it, and then एक accurate estimate review दे सकते हैं. Cheers. You know what? I think this was meant for 2 people. एक बंदे के लिए नहीं था. But anyways, मैं आपको स्टार्टिंग में जो बोल रहा था कि इसकी स्मेल जो मुझे दिमाग में बैठी है, it's the other way around now. By the third bite, I'm kind of digging it and it's starting to grow on me. And now I understand why yak cheese is an acquired taste. आपको ना इसे फटाफट खाना पड़ेगा, because अगर आप इसको ज़्यादा देर ठंडी टेम्परेचर में छोड़ दोगे, what will happen is the cheese will become more rigid. You don't want that. So you gotta make sure you divide it by 2, split it between you and your friends. अगर वो कम पड़ गया, then order one more. Don't let one person enjoy the entire thing, because by the time he gets to his last piece, दिक्कत हो जाएगी. Honestly, एक चीज़ बताऊँ, when I read the reviews of this place, काफ़ी लोगों ने बोला कि the service is shitty, but I had the most warm and friendly experience ever. But एक चीज़ बहुत heavy हो गया है, and I can't do any cardio over here. But at the same time, यहाँ पे 2-3 जगह जो खुले हैं, तो मुझे उसका लॉजिक समझ नहीं आया. उसमें मैं अथवा R&D करूँगा. If I feel it's right, अगले वर्क में you'll be watching me do a nice sick workout. All right, great place. I would definitely come back here again. देखो, simple सी बात है. When you're in a new town, don't just look at one option and be satisfied. There are plenty of options out there. It's super commercialized. वो लग रहा है थोड़ा सा लाजपत नगर वाली फील आती है. Look at this lane. Let's see if we can get some cardio in tomorrow. That's it from the vlog. We're going to crash after this. Probably have some alcohol, relax, and cheers for watching, man.